Hello, I'm Vicente Aceituno, Director of Innovaron Spain. Welcome to my weekly video blog. In the last weeks, we've been talking about measuring things and how that is related to a reduction of uncertainty. We've been talking about operational definitions and how using operational definitions help to using metrics. And last week, we introduced the concept of security quarks, which make more clear the fundamental concepts of information security. As an example, we use a fictional character who loves cookies, and this character puts some cookies in a can, and he goes back after some time and he expects to be able to eat the cookies. Now, we could use two different ways to define if there was security in the can for this character. One would be a negative definition, that would be when there are no incidents, that means that there was security, or we could use a positive definition. When the expectations of this character are met, then we can say that there was security. The disadvantage of using a negative definition is that we cannot count how many incidents did not happen in a period of time, whereas it's very easy to count the number that expectations were met in a period of time. And therefore it's better to take a positive approach and say that when the objectives of the character are met, then that means that there was security, instead of thinking about the number of incidents that there was or there wasn't. Starting next week, we are going to list these security quarks, but if you're impatient, you can check OSM3, where these security quarks are called security objectives, and see these positive expectations that need to be met in order to say that there was security in an information system. I recommend you again to watch The Cookie Monster and the Mystery Box. It's very funny, and I will see you next week. Thank you.